I don't mind flying in the strong wind like it is today. It's got to be 15-20 miles an hour, as long as it's quite warm, and it is. So, because it's mid-August, which is fantastic. So again, out with this Psy-Cho 90mm running on 8S 3700 packs from George at 4Max, and running the MaxKGo 120 amp speed controller and their BEC to supply power into the receiver and to the servos. So we had a lot of fun with this last time, but to stress that this is a very heavy ABS version that I printed, because I got so fed up with the lightweight ASA version that I printed before, and it damages very easily. I've printed 2 ASA versions which are definitely lighter than this and a lot stronger, and I'll fit those out after I've decommissioned this one, which could be in the very near future. Could be during this flight, I don't know.
Foreshadowing.
Yeah, I am kind of thinking what might happen, but we'll see how it goes. I've got the telemetry Radio Master TX16S Mark III with a GPS sensor in here to get the maximum ground speed. And launching off your dolly as well, Nick.
Well, it's your dolly now.
It's my dolly, thank you very much.
That's it. Early Christmas present.
Got your fast zoom.
Yep.
All right, here we go.
Well, that was a takeoff.
Yeah, terrible, isn't it? But it's up.
It is. That wind's blowing now.
Right, ready? Turning in. That is properly fast.
You didn't even drop it, like, you know, like a half roll and pull.
Full throttle now. Don't know if you want to try looking at my telemetry.
Sure. 175? Oh no.
Turning.
Yeah.
Okay, this one from a dive.
That's going to be fast.
And we'll do one last one. Half roll, pull.
The dolly's right in the middle of the patch as well.
Oh, right.
Perfect.
No way. No way. No way. 200.3 miles an hour. What? I didn't think it was that quick.
So that goes to show
Oh, what?
we started the beginning of this year and you said, I want to 3D print something and go over 150 mile an hour.
Oh,
And there you go, we didn't finish the year.
oh. That is bonkers. That is ground speed, granted, on a windy day, downwind, and that would have been out of a dive, full throttle, after pulling a reversal and a half roll and pull. But blimey, 200.3 miles an hour over the ground, that is utterly fantastic. So that is the Psy-Cho from PTI Kyle with a 90mm EDF running an FMS 1500 kV 4-pole motor running on 8S 3700 packs, 2 4S packs from Formax 60C packs they are, with a MaxKGo 120 amp speed controller and a separate beck. Blimey, that's just crazy fast.
It looked 200, I'm not going to lie.
Did it look 200?
Yeah.
And I was staying in the middle of the strip. I thought, I don't want this coming too close to me. Brilliant. Anyway, thanks for watching. That is a goal achieved, and I didn't think I would do it this year, but that is that's fantastic. Thanks very much for watching. Thanks to Nick on camera. Gonna go and have a lie down and a cup of tea now. Bye. Brilliant. Whoa. Ho, 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 ho.